Hey there, welcome to BotPenguin. We are a chatbot building platform for Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, websites, and live chat widgets and landing pages too. We have a unified inbox, a drag and drop chatbot building interface, and 60 plus integrations, including a state of the art ChatGPT integration as well. Today, I am giving you a head start for getting started with chatbots in just 5 minutes. So to get started with, all you have to do is go to botpenguin.com and click on Get Started for free. Here you will come on to our landing page where you can sign up using Facebook, Google, or by entering your work email and phone number. Once you have done that, you get this screen where you can choose the platform where you want to build your bot. Once you have chosen that, let's say I want to build a website bot today, I get to choose the icon, the avatar, the theme color, and the name of the chatbot. Once you have decided that, you can go on to choose a particular template as per your need, or you can build it up from scratch. But the easiest way is to contact us and we will design it for you, and it is free too. Let's say I want to create a chatbot for lead generation. I click on it, I press use template, and here a chatbot has been created. As you can see, it opens in a component-based editor where you have a complete template ready for your use. Now I'll let you know what each component does and how it works. It is up to you to use a component style builder or a fun visualize builder. If you go to the visualize filter, you will see that it is a beautiful drag and drop interface where you can simply choose which element you want to edit and define it in a very visual and easy to use graph type builder. Now, let's come to each component. The first component is a simple message that does not require a response, so it is a text message. Now, coming to a single choice and a single answer question. Let's say you have a single answer question that what are you looking for? You have different options, and different options lead to different next steps. Here you can receive the email from your users via the email option, and you also have the ability to validate it based on domains or by including or by sending different domain related errors. You can also validate phone numbers on the same basis. You can end the chat on a simpler note by sending a message again. Once you have done that and installed your bot too using a simple installation guide, depending on different website or platform you want, you will be redirected to our inbox. The inbox is in itself a CRM. Here you have the chats, the contact details, and the person who is assigned to the status, the tags that you have assigned them, and the current state of action. You can click on a particular contact and see their chat history, send them live messages, interact with them in real time, send them quick replies, all from a single position. You can go to the analytics window where you have the number of messages and leads acquired in this simple dashboard. Going to the team, you can configure who can access your bot, such as your agents or your team members. Go to subscriptions to upgrade your plan as per your message requirements. You can also choose the WhatsApp plan if you choose to enter the WhatsApp revolution of new way of e-commerce. You can also buy add-ons, change the subscriptions, and access your invoices. Once you have done that, you can set up your chatbot based on your particular needs by going into the chatbot settings and deciding where you want to show it by configuring it, your user access, the triggers and alerts as to when you would want a notification to appear, defining the chat window options as to when you want to transfer, the enable to transfer options, also the design and the general settings such as the unavailability and availability of your chatbot. Once done, to make the most out of your chatbots, you can also go into our third-party integrations integrated with one of the 60 plus integrations to make the most out of your leads as well as the data that comes through your chatbots. We also have a ChatGPT integration that realizes the long dream of true chat automation. We have a separate video detailing how ChatGPT and an integration with it works, and truly it's a revolution. I hope that this video has quenched your thirst for how to start with BotPenguin. If you have any further questions or queries, you can either check out our detailed video or go into help.botpenguin.com to see our detailed help documents for every problem that you can face while using our platform. In any case, we are always there to help you, given in the links in the description. Thank you. Welcome to BotPenguin.